Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the building blocks of Python, integers. Whether you're brand new to coding or brushing up your skills, this is a great place to start. We'll look at what integers are and how Python handles them. I'll walk you through examples step by step, so feel free to pause, copy the code, and try things out as we go along. By the end of this video, you'll be confident working with numbers in Python and ready to take on more complex data types. So, let's begin by jumping in and taking a look at basic arithmetic in Python. Alright, let's talk about arithmetic in Python. This is the stuff that makes your code actually do math. Whether you're adding scores, calculating prices, or building logic, these operators are your toolkit. Let's head over to our terminal and start simple. Let's do this in the terminal. If you're using Windows, that means opening something called the command prompt, or CMD for short. Here's how to open it. Click the Start menu. That's the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then type the letters CMD. You'll see an app called Command Prompt appear in the search results. Click it to open. You should now see a black window with some white text. That's your terminal. It's where we'll run Python commands directly. If you've installed Python correctly, you can type Python and press enter. You'll see the Python version and a blinking cursor. That means you're ready to start coding. Let's try some Python math right here in the terminal. Addition uses the plus sign. Try typing 5 plus 3. You'll get 8. Subtraction is the minus sign. So, 5 minus 3 gives you 2. Multiplication uses the asterisk. 5 times 3 equals 15. Division is a /. 5 divided by 2 gives you 2.5. That's a float, not a whole number. Now here's where Python gets a bit more powerful. Floor division uses 2 slashes. It chops off the decimal and gives you just the whole number. So, 5 floor divided by 2 returns 2. Modulus is the % sign. It gives you the remainder. 5 modulus 2 is 1, because 2 goes into 5 twice, with 1 left over. And finally, exponentiation uses 2 asterisks. 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 8. Now, let's talk about BODMAS. It stands for brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This is the order Python follows when solving math expressions. For example, 5 plus 2 times 3. Python multiplies first, 2 times 3 is 6, then adds 5, giving you 11. But if you use brackets like this, Python adds first, 5 plus 2 is 7, then multiplies, giving you 21. So remember, brackets come first, then powers, then division and multiplication, and finally addition and subtraction. Understanding BODMAS helps you write clean, predictable math logic in Python. Okay, let's talk data types and type checking. In Python, every piece of data has a type. To check what type you're working with, use the type function. For example, type 42 returns int, that's a whole number. But type 42 encased in quotes returns string type. Because it's wrapped in quotes, it's a string. Type 3.14 returns float, a number with a decimal point. And type true returns bool, a Boolean value, meaning either true or false. This is a quick and powerful way to understand your data and avoid type errors. Remember, if it's in quotes, it's a string, even if it looks like a number. Let's go over to Visual Studio and look at some examples. Here I have created an integers.py file. You can do the same or download this one from the All About Python website. As you can see, type 42 returns int. That's an integer, a whole number. Type 42 in quotes returns a string. Even though it looks like a number, it's a string because it's inside quotes. Type 3.14 returns float. That's a number with a decimal point. And type true returns bool. That's a Boolean value, either true or false. Remember, if it's in quotes, it's a string. If it has a decimal, it's a float. If it's a whole number, it's an integer. And if it's true or false, it's a Boolean. You can download this full cheat sheet from the website. Just check the link in the description. In Python, sometimes you need to change one type of data into another. This is called type conversion, and Python makes it easy. Let's look at a few examples. As you can see here, we have int with 42 in double quotes. This converts the string 42 into the integer 42. Float 3.14 in quotes converts the string 3.14 into the float 3.14. Street 100 turns the number 100 into the string 100. Bool 1 gives you true, because 1 is considered truthy. And bool 0 gives you false, because 0 is considered false. These conversions are super useful when you're working with user input, math, or logic. Just remember, use int for whole numbers. Use float for decimals. Use street for text. And use bool to check truthiness. And that's a wrap on today's Python session. We covered how to check data types using type, explored integers, floats, booleans, and strings, and learned how to convert between them. We even touched on BODMAS and float precision, so you're building a solid foundation. If this helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. You can download the full Python cheat sheet from the website, just check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and stay curious.